Dumplings, formerly known as jiao'er, translates directly as charming ear. According to legends, it was invented by the Chinese medical sage Zhang Zhongjing. In the last years of the Eastern Han Dynasty, plagues were prevalent. Many people were affected by severe diseases. Zhang Zhongjing was a famous doctor who possessed exceptional skills of healing. Moreover, because of his noble ethics, he would dedicate himself to every one of his patients, regardless if they were rich or poor. After he was relieved of his position, he returned to his hometown. As he was walking along the White River shoreline, he saw countless people suffering from hunger and their ears were frostbitten in cold weather. After he arrived home, there were so many people coming to him for medical attention that kept him extremely busy. However, he could not get out of his mind images of those poor people with frostbitten ears. So he asked this student to set up a tent on a vacant land along with a giant cauldron. Since the winter solstice, they had been offering medicines to the poor. The name of Zhang Zongjing's concoction was cold dispelling jiao'er soup. He put mutton along with a variety of cold dispelling drugs into a pot and start boiling. After it is done, he fished out the solid part and minced it up. And next he made ear-shaped charming ears as the outer layer for the stuffing using oatmeal, then boiled them again in the pot. Every patient was allocated with 2 charming ears and a bowl of soup. After people had the soup, they began to feel warmth on their body. Their blood circulation sped up. After a further while, their ears were entirely cured. Zhang Zhongjing's act of kindness to give out medicine lasted all the way till Chinese New Year's Eve. So ever since then, when it's New Year's Eve, in order to celebrate New Year's Day and the recovery of their ears, they would prepare food that emulated the appearance of charming ears for the new year, and had it in the morning of the first day into the year. The food that emulated the charming ear was dumpling.
Words and sentences. Number 1. 你好你好 Number 2. 我叫 Tim 你呢我叫 Tim 你呢 3. 谢谢谢谢不客气不客气 Number 4. 饺子饺子 Number 5. 筷子筷子 Number 6. 好吃好吃 Number 7. 恭喜发财恭喜发财 Number 8. 再见再见
恭喜恭喜，恭喜恭喜恭喜你呀！恭喜恭喜恭喜你！碰见你的尽头，正是我的消息。温暖的春风吹醒我大地。恭喜恭喜恭喜你呀！恭喜恭喜恭喜你！好运连连，红包拿来，好好并且溶解，眼看梅花突蕊，慢慢花也活络，听到一声叽叽。恭喜恭喜恭喜你呀！恭喜恭喜恭喜你！经过多少困难，经历多少磨练，多少心儿盼望春天的消息。恭喜恭喜